Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Salesflare account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find the API key for your Salesflare account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need the API key to your Salesflare anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you're integrating various software, oftentimes you're going to need an API key. Whatever the case is a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Salesflare dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Salesflare account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get your Salesflare API key, here on the left side, you're going to click on this little button down on the bottom left. I guess it looks like a temperature gauge. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu here to the left, and you want to scroll all the way down until you see this button, API key. All right, once you do that, you're going to click on this blue plus button here on the bottom right. Okay, next you're going to go ahead and name your API key. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and name this one mail, and I'm going to click on create. All right, quick second later, it's going to show you your API key to your Salesflare account right here. So you can go ahead and copy that and then paste it into whatever software is asking for an API key. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your Salesflare API key, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.